So today we are going to check out some classic hairstyles for women that never go out of style. First up, we see this gorgeous angled pixie. She does have a longer bangs in the front, kind of making it a longer pixie, but that is a very sophisticated style. And next we move into a hair transformation. So she has extremely thick curly hair. The stylist does a great job of cutting this into a bob. And then of course he does go in and dye the hair as well. So she ended up getting this gorgeous platinum shade. Love the fullness that the stylist was able to achieve with this cut. She already had pretty full, thick hair, but I just think that this transformation is probably one of my favorites. She looks absolutely stunning. And then we move into this red hot bob. So this stylist does cut her red hair to about neck length. Absolutely gorgeous. She does have full bangs in the front with this one as well. I think that the color and the cut is just simply gorgeous. So it looks like we are going to see another haircut transformation on this particular reel. So it looks like he grabs the scissors, cuts the hair into a bob. So she has a lot of hair in the front there with this particular cut. Beautiful. The stylist, of course, added the waves, and she does have a middle part with this one. Next up, we see a gorgeous bob. She does have all black or brunette hair. So she's pretty much cutting her own bangs with this one and shaping her hair into a more tailored bob. Absolutely gorgeous. I think she did a great job of cutting her hair herself, and more than likely she's probably a stylist. So there's another pixie variation, kind of like a Bixie bob and a pixie. And then next up we see a very messy freestyle cut, and then he does go in and kind of cut the hair a little bit more into more of an undercut. Ooh, so she ends up getting a nice lined detailing with this as well, all the way around. Love this. Love the contrast between the top and the back and the sides. And then we see this gorgeous pixie. So this one is going to feature an undercut as well. Nice line detailing yet again. Gorgeous. So it looks like for this next transformation, she's going to be getting bangs and some very, very short hair. So far this cut is very spiky and just kind of freestyled. So she does end up having, and that hair is being donated. She did get a longer bang in the front, which I thought was quite interesting, and then kind of spiky pixie style throughout. And then this transformation is also going to be with a donation. So it looks like she's also getting a pixie cut with this one. I love her little kitten mouse style mask that she has there. Very cute. And then next up we see another kind of bob transformation. Ooh, a beautiful angled bob. Gorgeous color throughout as well. Stunning. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like and I will see you in the next one.